Let me firstly see we are live at Amazon Sellers in Pakistan group. जी so इस वक्त हम लाइव हैं Amazon Sellers in Pakistan के ग्रुप में और आज हम बेसिकली डिस्कस करने वाले हैं एक सक्सेस स्टोरी जो कि नेबलर्स बूट कैंप के स्टूडेंट की. But before I start, I wanted to make sure we are live and the people are actually getting into it. Okay, so I think we are live. और मैं अब ऐड करने लगा हूँ हमारे one of the rock star from Multan. His name is Farrukh Malik. Let me add him. जी Farrukh, अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
जी वालेकुम सलाम सर, कैसे हैं आप? ठीक हैं
जी अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, अल्लाह का शुक्र. आप कैसे हैं? ठीक हैं?
जी अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह सर.
ठीक. So thank you very much for coming. So basically, just to give a little bit background के why I asked you to come online, because I want people to understand कि किस तरह से आपने पूरा जर्नी स्टार्ट किया Amazon का, किस तरह से आप इस फील्ड में आए, कैसे आपको पूरा इस चीज़ का इंट्रोडक्शन मिला, and then basically after your story I'll ask you a few questions कि अभी आप क्या कर रहे हैं, and how did you actually end up creating your success story basically. So what was involved? So let's just understand a little bit more about yourself. Explain me कि किस तरह से सबसे पहले आप इस business में आए. What makes you to come on Amazon?
Sure, sir.
To actually sell on?
Sir, actually, I did my software engineering from Dublin, Ireland, and I came back to Pakistan a couple of years before. Then I started my first business, which was actually auto detailing business. This was something very new in Multan, like 4 or 5 years before. And I started it as an entrepreneur, and alhamdulillah, it was a good success though. But before 2 years' time, I thought that the quantity of this business, the expansion potential for this business is not anymore. So I thought I cannot expand that anymore. So I thought of something else कि मैं जो करूं और मैं उसको expand कर सकूं और कुछ ऐसा business जिसके लिए मुझे मतलब freedom हो कि मैं कहीं से भी उसको operate कर सकूं. I don't have to be somewhere actually. The physical presence. And oh, it's okay now. So, sir, then I actually went for better businesses. And, after that, I decided to look for certain online businesses. Because आज से 2-2.5 साल पहले there was a boom all of a sudden regarding this online business thing. So I started off with my website locally. Actually, मैं कुछ products locally बेचता रहा. Again, that was not enough. I thought, again, I cannot expand that anymore. Then I went to eBay and Etsy. I started selling on it. But eBay पे जो मैंने काम किया तो सर eBay पे obviously there is a volume, you can do it. But सबसे बड़ा जो मुझे problem face मैंने किया eBay पे जो obviously सभी लोग करते हैं वो सर shipping issues थे. Obviously I was having products here in Pakistan. तो मुझे जब पाकिस्तान से शिपिंग करनी थी तो मेरे लिए बहुत ज्यादा कंसर्न था कि मैं अगर पूरे महीने में फॉर एग्जांपल 100 या 80 या जितने भी प्रोडक्ट सेल करता हूँ और मेरी 1-2 ही रिटर्न सिर्फ आ जाती थी तो मेरा सारा प्रॉफिट जो है वो इवन आउट हो जाता था. ठीक है. सो दैट वाज रियली अ कंसर्न फॉर मी. देन ऑल ऑफ अ सडन आई सॉ दिस Amazon thing and I was looking for someone to teach me क्योंकि I knew I had a chance to view some videos about Amazon. कुछ videos मैंने देखी YouTube पे, कुछ पढ़ा Google करके, कुछ websites पे गया. तो मुझे ये अंदाजा हो गया कि it is unlike eBay, Etsy or any other online selling platform in the world. It is a huge one, and I seriously needs to learn about it first. Then I need to actually implement it. So I keep on searching for different persons, institutions, or places to get training for about Amazon. I actually applied for a couple of, and you guys, enablers were, in fact, I'm now enablers, alhamdulillah, and we were quite new at that time. And I had a chance to look at the website, and then I contacted the customer support, and amazingly, it was very sudden response and rapid response from enablers admin support that time. और उसके बाद I enrolled for one-to-one training from enablers, and alhamdulillah, I got the training in 2 weeks' time, in 7 weeks' time, in 7 classes, in 2 months' time approximately. Uske baad, sir, I started, it's been like more than 8 to 10 months. I have started my own listings in Europe and in USA both. Or Allah ke fazal se, sir, now I'm selling really good. And alhamdulillah, in UK, I'm selling something around 10K pounds sterling. And in US, I'm alhamdulillah selling around 8K US dollars a month.
अच्छा, जबरदस्त,
So
माशाल्लाह। सो ये पूरे जर्नी में आपको इस फिगर्स को अचीव करने में टोटल कितना टाइम लगा फ्रॉम स्टार्ट टू फिनिश, which is like
sir,
creating an ID until launch?
I would say कि first 3 to 4 months were I wouldn't use the word crucial, but I would say it was hard working. I had to work really hard day and night. ठीक है? And but after 3 to 4 months time, it was like opening my MacBook and checking all the things. Okay, is it working fine for me? And that's it. So and now, alhamdulillah, I'm doing really good, and I don't need more than half an hour every day for both the marketplaces to see what I'm doing actually.
That's really good, alhamdulillah. So आपका सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज क्या रहा पूरे जर्नी में, throughout? What was your main challenge?
सर चैलेंज पहले 3-4 महीने तो हर दिन ही सर चैलेंज होता है, क्योंकि यू फेस समथिंग व्हिच यू हैव नेवर केम अक्रॉस बिफोर. तो सर उसमें सबसे अहम चीज जो मेरे लिए थी ऑब्वियसली वो रैंकिंग थी, स्पेशली इन यूएस. सर उसके अलावा प्रोडक्ट सिलेक्शन टुक वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. और जैसे मैं आई वुड रियली लाइक टू थैंक यू एंड enablers for letting me know the exact and super criteria for searching my product actually. क्योंकि बहुत से हमारे स्टूडेंट्स, कुलीग्स या इवन जो लोग हमसे लिंक नहीं भी हैं, एंड इफ दे नो अ लिटिल अबाउट आवर क्राइटेरिया फॉर सर्चिंग अ प्रोडक्ट, दे ऑलवेज से कि यार बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, ये नहीं होता है, ऐसा हो नहीं सकता है. आई टोटली एग्री, इट इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट क्राइटेरियाज वन हैज एवर क्रिएटेड. बट इफ यू गेट वन, जैसे मैंने अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मेहनत की, कोशिश की, आपने बहुत हेल्प किया. एवरी टाइम व्हेनेवर आई ट्राइड टू कांटेक्ट यू, you replied me alhamdulillah instantly, and I'm again very thankful to you for that. And due to all these good things, I was able to find my product in almost 2 months time, I would say. Yes, it took a lot of time to search that product, but once I searched it, it was amazing. I mean, I did not had those problems which other people had. मैंने बहुत सी स्टोरीज सुनी, लोग प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च करते हैं, बहुत पैसे इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, इवन 10 to 20 thousand dollars इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, and at the end of 6 months they are done with their listing, and they say okay, we are going to liquidate it. And
Right. So इसमें अभी आपका जो overall, obviously you're generating above 10 to 15 thousand dollars
yeah,
in almost all the markets.
yeah.
तो इसमें आपका profit margin कितना है इसमें?
Sir, as enablers criteria, one has to has a 25% net margin out of it. So that's what I'm having, alhamdulillah.
Right. Okay, this is great. So अभी आपकी कितनी products हैं
Sir,
US में या UK में?
I have 2 in UK and I have 1 in US.
Right. ठीक है. So basically this is all based on one product. ठीक है. तो अपनी डेली एक्टिविटीज के बारे में भी लोगों को बता दें. तो इन ऑर्डर टू मेंटेन अप टू $15,000 अ मंथ सेल, आप पूरे दिन में आपकी क्या एक्टिविटी होती है और किस तरह से आप पूरा दिन स्पेंड करते हैं इसको?
सर यूजुअली पहले तो मैं सबसे ज्यादा सेल्स के ग्राफ को एक दफा कर लेता हूँ चेक के, इसमें कुछ ऊपर या नीचे हो रहा है. अगर वो कंसिस्टेंट है और वो ऊपर जा रहा है तो ऑब्वियसली देयर इज नो नीड टू एक्चुअली प्ले विद द लिस्टिंग. दैट्स व्हाट आई बिलीव. ठीक है. बट इफ समथिंग इज गोइंग ऑन, आपका ग्राफ नीचे जा रहा है, तो यू नीड टू डिग आउट कि व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम. इज इट अबाउट द मार्केट ट्रेंड अबाउट दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट, और इज इट अबाउट हैविंग डिफरेंट कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस लाइक कि आपके प्रोडक्ट के कोई बैड रिव्यूज आ रहे हैं या कुछ भी ऐसा हो रहा है. सो यू नीड टू डिग आउट एक्चुअली. So honestly, I keep on looking the graph of stats of sales, and that actually pushes me to check whatever is going around.
Right. Okay, so let me just talk a little bit further more. Okay, what was your, which is the key to success, is review strategy. वो क्या थी आपकी?
सर सबसे अहम चीज तो है कि लोग जब कोई भी प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च करते हैं ना सर, तो ऑब्वियसली यू यू हैव टू हैव लॉट ऑफ करेज अबाउट इट, ठीक है, क्योंकि इनिशियली आपको गिव अवेज देने होते हैं, आपको पीपीसी चलानी होती है, आपको रैंक करना होता है जब पहले पेज पे, तो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम यू हैव अ फीलिंग कि यार इट्स नॉट गोना वर्क, मेरे साथ क्या होगा, मैं पहले पेज पे आने के चक्कर में मैं सारे पैसे खत्म कर दूंगा, और अगर मैं पहले पेज पे आ गया और मेरी सेल्स ऑर्गेनिक ना हुई स्टार्ट, तो मैं क्या करूंगा. But you have to keep on trying, you have to always keep on trying, and I have a belief on this thing, if you positively keep on trying to come on the first page, somehow you start getting organic sales very quickly, inshallah, if you stick on to the criteria your mentor tell you, and if you stick on to particularly enablers criteria, alhamdulillah, so I'm sure one could do it easily.
Okay, this is good. अब ये obviously it may be not a straightforward answer, but what was your more of launch strategy in order to come on page one? Obviously, you took the reviews, then you decided to come on page one. What efforts and steps did you take? जो कि आपको देख रहे हैं और ये जो इस वीडियो को देखेंगे उनके लिए क्या मैसेज होगा कि how this
You want me to
successful
go
person achieve
you
on
want
page
me to
one?
go in detail?
Not really a huge detail, but just as an overview, ताकि लोगों को पता चले कि आप जो सक्सेसफुल सेलर बने उसमें आपकी
Right.
लॉन्च स्ट्रेटजी क्या थी और स्टेप्स क्या थे, सो एवरीवन गेट्स द बेनिफिट.
राइट 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 श्योर सर. सर सबसे पहले तो हम लॉन्चिंग के अंदर सबसे पहले वी चेक फॉर आवर रिजर्व्स. हमें सबसे पहले ये देखना है कि वी हैव टू हैव एम्पल स्टॉक, ठीक है, कि वी आर गोइंग फॉर गिवअवेज, वी आर गोइंग फॉर लॉन्चिंग एक्चुअली, सो वी हैव टू हैव फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नीड टू लुक कि हम एम्पल स्टॉक ऑर्डर करें अपनी पहली इन्वेंट्री. वी ऑलवेज शैल बी गोइंग फॉर एटलीस्ट 1000 यूनिट्स, नंबर वन.
राइट.
Right, sir? Because if we are going for anything less than that, I will tell you what problem one can face. For example, if we go for 500 units, right, and the average giveaways for your product is 200 to 300 units, okay? So the average time to give away those units would be 8 to 10 days approximately, okay, sir? तो अगर आप 8 to 10 days में 2 to 300 यूनिट्स गिव अवे कर देते हैं और वो गिव अवेज देकर आप फर्स्ट पेज पर रैंक हो जाते हैं फॉर एग्जांपल, ठीक है, और आपकी ऑर्गेनिक सेल्स भी स्टार्ट हो जाती हैं, तो उसके बाद यू आर नॉट लेफ्ट विद एनी स्टॉक इन द बैक, नंबर वन. नंबर टू, इवन इफ यू ऑर्डर द इन्वेंटरी राइट अवे, that will take time to actually reach the warehouse. So first point is please do not order anything less than 1000 units, number one. Number two, sir, I started doing giveaways using Supreme links, Supreme URL links, using rebate key and using ManyChat, right? Uske baad, sir, when I was doing the giveaways, I also started doing, obviously paid reviews. Okay, as we all know, okay, getting review on any online selling platform is not an easy job, sir. Okay, obviously you have to have an extra budget for getting reviews as well. That's what I had. So the most important thing, what I say again and again to everyone, is to allocate your budget actually. Okay, you have to have certain amount extra to launch your product other than the inventory you're having actually. People think कि यार inventory में से ही सब जाना है तो let's just flush the inventory and we are good to go. It's nothing actually like that. You have to have a separate budget for refunding for giveaways. People think कि हमारा जो पे आउट आ जाएगा वहीं से हमारा लेवल आउट हो जाएगा giveaways का जो अमाउंट होगा. But it's not like that actually, because sometimes you have to push the PPC along with giveaways on rebate key and Pixelfy and ManyChat. So अगर तीनों strategy simultaneously चल रही हैं और aggressive launch है आपका, for example $100 PPC a day, so obviously वो जो launching आपकी हो रही है उसमें आपका PPC आपके स्टॉक में से निकल रही है, तो आपको अलग से you have to have certain amount for that, ठीक है सर. And उसके बाद सर when I was on the first page, alhamdulillah, अल्लाह का शुक्र है कि ऑर्गेनिक सेल्स स्टार्टेड कमिंग, बट इट वाज नॉट लाइक कि जैसे ही ऑर्गेनिक सेल्स मुझे आनी शुरू हुई तो मैंने राइट अवे गिवअवेज और पीपीसी मैंने बंद कर दिया. नो सर, आई वाज टेकिंग इट डाउन ग्रेजुअली. जैसे जैसे मेरी ऑर्गेनिक सेल्स बढ़ रही थी, मैंने पीपीसी तो ऑब्वियसली चलती है, बट मैंने गिवअवेज को आहिस्ता आहिस्ता कम करना शुरू कर दिया. And alhamdulillah, when I was in double figures of reviews, like 20, 25 reviews plus pe jab main tha, to it was working great for me.
Yeah. So this is great, mashallah. It's a great to see that within almost less than a year, actually, you managed to make that amount of profit, and as well as now standing on page one with your main keyword. So this is a great achievement. It's not just I'm sure just follow the process, but also it requires hard work, dedication,
It
and
does.
passion, which you must have followed, as I
And I
can
would like
clearly
to
see.
add that it also requires the mentor to be actually perfectly trained and himself a good seller as well.
Exactly, exactly. So this is very good to hear that you're doing so well based in Multan. And I guess you also told me you had another business before which you have now not progressing anymore and moved this business to the full time. And you just want to
Yeah,
tell कि
exactly.
क्या आप पहले करते थे और उसको क्या कैसे आपने उसको खत्म कर दिया और now you're full time into it.
Exactly. As I told you earlier, I was into cars business. I was into automobile business. I have a showroom here as well. I have a detailing automotive service facility as well, state of the art one. But and invested a lot of money in it, and I actually worked on it for like more than 4 5 years. But when I saw the volumes and the profit margins and especially the ease of business of Amazon business, I can do it from anywhere. I just need to have a MacBook with me, and I just need to have an internet connection. That's all I want. I'm not bound to a certain place that I need to sit over here. जो कि उस business में मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा concern था कि I have to come to office 9 to 5. I have to watch my labor. I have to talk to different customers. I have to look for things. I have to source different things, and lot of stuff needs me actually physically present at somewhere, right, sir? So, but this business had so much ease. I can give time to better time to my family now, alhamdulillah, and things are really good now. Yeah.
This is obviously it's a great story for everyone to understand. That now Farrukh can spend time on his family and can manage this business from anywhere he likes. So it's a great achievement. So that's why I asked him to come and explain and be the role model for other people who are actually thinking that should I go or not for this business. But I understand it's not an easy game, and you require a proper mentorship support throughout this journey. Those who don't know, Multan has now been led by Farrukh as well. And he's also training other people as well to share his whole success story and experience so others can also take benefit from. So it's a great to help others and as well as doing your own work as well, which you are doing. So it's a great thing. I don't want to take much of your time, but just lastly, anything you want to say to the new sellers
Yes,
of
sir. I
Southern
would like
Punjab,
to I would
Multan,
like
and
to
people
add
who
one
wants
thing.
to work on?
I would like to add one thing actually. Sorry to interrupt you, sir. सर सबसे अहम चीज जो लोगों को मैं बताना चाहूंगा based on my personal experiences कि it is not an easy one. As any other business, as any other physical business, this is also a physical business, and it is not easy to do. It is really difficult, but you just need to spend one first year. That is it. You just need to spend 1 year with complete hard work, day and night, on Amazon. And after that time, trust me, you don't need to spend more than half an hour or maximum 1 hour a day just to check how you're doing. That's it. You once you're ranked on the first page, it is not that difficult to sustain yourself on the first page as compared to getting along, as compared to get on the first page actually. So I would say everyone, whoever wants to work on Amazon, please have courage to stay in it. Have courage to stay for 1 year. Have courage to face the hardships you come across in that 1 year time actually. Once you're done with that first year, trust me, you're going to be very happy. You're going to be very comfortable with it. Sir, I can't hear you. Sorry.
Just a second.
Yes, it's fine now.
Gee, can you hear me now? Right. So basically, this is a great message for everyone. So I think it should be an inspiration for others, and it's just a one step basically, which is difficult. Baki step actually will help you further when you just into it. So we hope to get more, hope to see more success from you. and we'll continue to involve you throughout and understand how your challenges and the growth is happening. And feel free to share your experience in the group, and hopefully we'll continue to take you on the board for other so many things as well. Just a few questions I wanted to take, which people are actually writing it here. Maybe the key questions which someone has just asked. Uh, this one. What about the updates on Jungle Scout and giveaway? It says 1 week giveaway. So I can answer as well quickly. This is actually 7 to 14 days giveaways now. They have changed the keyword scout recently, and they are doing the session as well to explain ये change क्या है, क्या changes Jungle Scout की details में या updates में आई हैं. So make sure you join today's session, which is being hosted by Jungle Scout Management. I think thank you very much, Farrukh. It's been a pleasure to talk to you, and I hope to meet you in person soon. Um,
Sure.
Keep it up, and hope to see you doing $1 million a year soon and sharing your story again with everyone.
Thank
So
you very much.
thank you so much, and hope to talk to you again.
Thanks a
Thank
lot.
you, guys. Allah Hafiz to everyone.